Good evening guys, bali ang gagawin ko ngayon ay gagawa ko ng validator sa aking account sa Uber protocol. Then susunod dito guys ay makikita mo itong dalawang option dito ng home at saka validators. No? I-click po natin yung validators. Then isa lang yung gagamitin ko. 256 lang Uber ang may babawas sa aking balance na 560. Then next natin, i-check lahat to. I would like to stick 256 Uber to run 1 validators. Check, check, check. I understand the slashing leads to signal reduction in stake balance and termination validator activity. Check natin. Stake now. Then confirm, i-check mo yung ano natin, yung mobile device mo, yung confirmation. May magpa-pop up na message doon sa inyong Uber wallet. Confirm natin. Then slide to confirm. Then I'm done. View. Succeeded yun. Na ano natin, na-achieve na natin yung isa ating validator. So confirm the stick. I'm done. Succeeded siya. The transaction process has been completed. Please wait for the moment until the validator are activated. Go to dashboard natin. So, calculating the time until activation, though your request has been submitted, the validation will become active in approximately 25 minutes and will provide the exact waiting time thereafter. Ayan, makikita natin yung isang validators na dito. Kasi succeeded siya. And validators history, then epoch, upcoming rewards, activity, time, and receive rewards. Then home natin. Yung balance ko na ay 304 kasi yung validators ko isa pa, so maghintay tayo ng 25 minutes. Yung kanina na-fail tong dalawa kasi ginawa ko siyang dalawang validators sa balance na 51,256. So sinubukan kong isa, pumasok naman, succeeded siya.
Huwag ka palang gagawa ng dalawang validators kung ang balance mo ay 200 or 300. Gawin mo siyang isa lang para succeeded yung validators na gagawin mo. Pag gagawa ka palang dalawang validators, dapat yung balance mo ay nasa 600 pataas para succeeded yung gagawin mong validators dito. Makikita mo na lang yung earnings mo after 25 minutes yung pag succeeded na yung validators na ginawa mo. Ganun lang guys yung paggawa ng validator sa inyong Uber protocol. Maraming salamat guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.